capturing the past through historic photography. 1972 Maserati Bora. Images of the Bora highlight its sleek mid-engine layout and performance. 1973 Toyota Celica. Images of the Celica reflect its role in popularizing Japanese sports cars. 1974 Volkswagen Scirocco. Images of the Scirocco capture its angular design. 1975 Bricklin SV1. Images of the SV1 showcase its unique gull-wing doors and fiberglass body. 1976 Cadillac Seville. Images of the Seville highlight its refined, compact luxury. 1977 Lincoln Versailles. With European luxury, images of the Versailles capture its conservative styling.